Talking flashcards. Verbs. Pink set. Are you ready? Here we go. Ride a horse. Ride a horse. Use chopsticks. Use chopsticks. Play the piano. Play the piano. Fish. Fish. Snowboard. Snowboard. Play tennis. Play tennis. Ride a unicycle. Ride a unicycle. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Speak English. Speak English. Cook. Cook. Ski. Ski. Skate. Skate. Swim. Swim. Drive a car. Drive a car. Go shopping. Go shopping. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. Eat sushi. Eat sushi. Play a video game. Play a video game. Do karate. Do karate. Buy a comic. Buy a comic. Study math. Study math. Listen to music. Listen to music. Use a computer. Use a computer. Write a letter. Write a letter. Wake up. Wake up. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. Go home. Go home. Eat dinner. Eat dinner. Take a bath. Take a bath. Go to bed. Go to bed. You can find these flashcards and many, many more at www.mapleleaflearning.com. Yeah, please stop by and check out the site, okay? We hope to see you soon. Anyways, until next time, happy teaching!